So if you've been following along with my other videos, you are at the point where you're comfortable holding your crochet hook, holding your yarn, and you know how to make a starting chain. Now I'm going to show you how to work a single crochet into that chain. Now that loop on the hook does not count as a chain, but rather your first chain you can see is that V right after the hook, and then that second V there, that's your second chain, and the third V is your third chain, and so on. Now to work a single crochet, we are going to be working in every one of those chains except that first one. So that first chain we're going to skip. So working into that second chain, we're just going to insert our hook right through that top loop. And once we get there, we're going to yarn over. So remember, we always yarn over back to front. And then we're going to draw through. Now as you can see, we have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over again and just draw through both of those loops. And that is your first single crochet. Now the second one is going to be worked in that second chain, again at that top loop there. So we're just going to insert our hook through, yarn over, or in other words, put your hook underneath that yarn, draw through a loop, again 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and draw through both loops. So again, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, draw through a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and draw through both of those loops. So I'm going to repeat this process all the way to the end of the chain. Now, I just made a short chain today, so you didn't have to wait for me to get to the end. And there we have it, that last chain we work into. So that is our first row of single crochet in the starting chain. Now you're at the end of the row and I'm sure you're wondering, well, what next? Well, if you follow along in my next video, I'm going to show you how to move on to the second row.